Hey guys, Fearless Femme here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me too. And this is for Trash Talking Thursdays. So let's talk some trash, y'all, about items that I have used up, do care for or don't care for, whether they're trash or not. And the first item is going to be this Bond No. 7 Beautiful Skin Cleansing Water. I hate this. I despise this. I do not like this. It does nothing for me. Okay, you guys know that Bond No. 7 is not cheap. I picked this up from Target. It is not cheap. I thought it was something for oily skin. It says created to help your oily skin behave like normal. But on the bottle, I don't know if y'all can see it, it says that it is for normal to oily skin. I don't know if you can see it, but you can't be normal and oily. I'm not normal and oily. I'm oily. I'm nothing normal. There's nothing normal about this face, okay? I have used this. I'm down to the last little bit. It's like to right there. And I want to throw it away. I want to throw it away. But I hate to waste product. So I think what I'm going to do tonight and for the rest of the weekend so I can get rid of this, I will not buy this again. I'm going to mix this in with my facial cleanser and use it as a makeup remover. Maybe the oils in that, maybe that will work. So that's what I'm going to do. So this is trash. This is trash. This is a no-go. Last but not least, this MAC Oil Control Lotion. You can't tell how much is in here, but I can tell you guys, I've had this over a year. There is a lot in here. I want to throw this in the garbage so bad. This is trash. I hate it. It does nothing for me. It does not control anything. I'm still oily by 1 o'clock. I'm earlier than 1 o'clock or whatever. There are oil control lotions that are cheaper that do more for me. I have put this on at night. I have put it on in the morning. And this sucks. Raw eggs. I'm sorry. This is trash. I am going to squeeze out hand loads of this because I do not want to go into another day of my life with this lotion. But for some reason, I have a problem with trashing stuff that I pay for. I don't have the receipt. I've had it for a while. I don't know if MAC will exchange it for something else just like this. So, this is trash. I didn't like it. My personal opinion. Never buy again. I would never, ever, ever buy this again. Okay? So, my 2 empties of the week that are not even empty are here. And they are trash. And they will not be bought again. If you guys have suggestions or ways I should try using it or something I could try, let me know. But I am officially done. Lost cause? No. Not going to happen. Okay. All right, you guys. And those are my 2 empties for the week. Talking Trash Thursday. I'll see you guys next time.